Ever wondered what really goes on inside the brain of an AI like ChatGPT or Claude? No, it's not a tiny person Googling your question behind the scenes. Although, wouldn't that be easier? What you're about to see is the real deal, the science and secret sauce behind large language models, and why they feel almost human. Think of an LLM like a massive brain with billions of neurons, but instead of firing emotions, it's firing probabilities. Yep, it's basically predicting the next word in a sentence, faster than your brain decides dinner on Zomato. At the heart of it, transformers. No, not the movie ones. These are mathematical frameworks that transform input into meaningful context. The cat sat on the... Boom! It predicts Matt with a 93% chance. Training an LLM is like teaching a baby but on a global scale. Billions of books, websites, code tweets, even Reddit rants. It learns patterns, not facts. Which is why it might confuse Newton's apple with Steve Jobs sometimes. It's not lying, it's just confidently wrong. Every sentence gets broken into tokens, like Lego blocks. The model stacks them, builds meaning, and guesses what comes next. It doesn't understand like humans, but it's shockingly good at faking it, because it's trained to predict, not to think. So how does it help you? From writing code, generating music, explaining quantum physics, or texting your crush, LLMs have become your invisible productivity partner. And the best part? This tech is just 1% into its evolution. The future? It's agentic AI, self-improving models, and maybe even consciousness? If you made it this far, you're part of the 1% who's actually curious about how the future works. So don't just use AI, understand it, shape it, be ahead of it. Hit like, share it with your curious friend, and subscribe to CodeZynox for more drops like this.